Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a QuickBooks business account. Start by selecting the QuickBooks product that best fits your business size and requirements, whether it's online, desktop, or self-employed. Next, you'll create an Intuit account using your email address and a secure password. Then, accurately input your business name and industry. Finally, specify your business type, like a sole proprietorship or a limited liability company, to ensure proper setup from the beginning. After initial setup, securely connect your business bank and credit card accounts to QuickBooks. This allows the software to automatically import your recent transactions, saving you valuable time. Next, customize your chart of accounts to accurately categorize all your income and expenses. You can easily add new accounts as needed to ensure precise financial tracking for your unique business operations. Now, you can invite team members and assign them specific user roles, controlling their access to your financial data. Personalize your invoice templates by adding your company logo and essential business details for a professional look. Set up the correct sales tax rates based on your location and configure various payment methods to effortlessly accept payments from your customers, streamlining your billing process. Begin by recording your initial income and expense transactions to populate your new account. Make sure to reconcile your bank accounts regularly, perhaps weekly or monthly, to maintain accurate financial records. Then, generate essential financial reports, such as the profit and loss statement, to understand your business's performance. Regularly reviewing these reports provides valuable insights for informed decision-making.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.